dear students. You all doing good? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. Why you are not sending the homework, kids? What is this? Again and again we need to tell you. You have no responsibility. You have to send children. Yes. Today I will wait. If you are not sending, I will mention your name in the group. Understand it? Yes, you have to do it regularly. Okay? Yes. Then we will start. Yes. What is the date today? Today date is 22nd. We are in October. Year is 2021. Today it is Friday. Friday you have English. Yes. Let us see thought for the day. Even the worst days have an ending and the best days have a beginning. This is the thought for the day. Okay? Yes. Take out your English workbook part 1. Yes, children, open till where we completed page number 70. What we learned in previous class, tell me? Yes, order of adjectives and positive degree, superlative degree, comparative degree. This is all we learned in previous class, right? Yes, today we will do exercise 3.4, page number 71. Open. Exercise 3.4. Choose the correct order of the words from the brackets and complete the sentence. One is done for you. He was wearing a dirty old t-shirt. Okay. See, they have picked old, dirty old shirt. Okay. So next, pass me the dash. Pass me the dash. What do you have to pass? Mug big green or big green mug or big mug green. Which is correct, children? See in page number 71. See. Yes, big green mug. Okay, that only correct option. Write down. Then next, I used to drive an old white ambassador, a white old ambassador. Which is the correct one? This is the correct one. I used to drive an old white ambassador. Write down that. Then next, dump the waste in the yellow cleaning container or yellow container cleaning or container yellow cleaning container. Write down. He sat behind a dash. Large desk writing, large writing desk, writing large desk. Which is correct? Large writing desk. Okay, write down. She gave him a vase, glossy vase, pretty glossy vase. Which is the correct one? Pretty glossy vase. Okay, write down. Completed? Yes. Then turn next page. Next we have formal writing. See, here we have notice writing. A notice is a brief formal place of communication that contains detail regarding a certain event or process. This should contain the following elements. Okay, what are that? A proper heading or title, date of issue, name and designation of issuing authority, and relevant content. Okay, this all should be in the word notice writing. Okay, it should be in brief. Understanding? The content should answer the questions such as what, when, where, from whom, and for whom. This and all should be contained. Okay. Read the following sample of a notice and observe its elements. Okay, I will read that and you should observe it carefully. Okay, see, this is first you should write Amar School. They have written Amar School. You can write our school. Issuing authority. Okay, issuing authority. This is issuing authority. This is date. Okay, then this is change in FA timetable. Heading. This is a headline. Okay. Then a class 5 section students will have mathematics class instead of English class during the first period on Tuesdays. On Thursdays, the sixth period will be an English class instead of mathematics class. Students must bring their notebooks and workbook accordingly. Yes, this is the issuing. We are giving one instruction to the students. That is what? Changing the timetable. Okay, they are changing the FA timetable. Means class 5 A sections timetable is being changed. Okay, this is called as body. Here to here it is called as body. The main thing. Okay. Next is name and designation of the person issuing the notice should be provided here. Okay. So this is being providing. Who is providing their name? They should mention. Gokul Man. Okay. Class teacher of class 5. Who is the class teacher of grade 5? They only should write their name and they have to send this notice. Okay. Like this. Just I am telling for you. Not really. Okay. Then turn next page. Here Shahu Senior Secondary School has issued a notice regarding their annual spelling bee competition. Can you identify and name the parts of the notice? Yes, you can. See, Shahu Senior Secondary School. Okay, because it is in short form, right? I got confused. Shahu Senior Secondary School. Okay, issuing authority. This is issuing authority. Which school is issuing the authority? That. Okay. Then date. See date. Write down date. Issuing authority. Write down. Then this is the headline. Spelling bee competition. Headline. Then body. This is the main part. Okay, body. A spelling bee competition is being hosted for class 1 to 5 at the school auditorium on 3rd January 2019. Those interested in participating should register their names on or before 15th December 2019. The first prize is a trip of amusement park and a trophy. All will receive certificates of participation. For more details, contact the office before 4 p.m. today. Okay, this is the main authority. They have given the main reason. Okay, then this is a signature or a name. Okay, this is a signature or a name. That is Kushi Singh, President of the Activity Club, Shahu Senior Secondary School. Okay, so this is designation. Okay, which post they are, who is sending this, in which post they are, about that they have to inform. That is called designation. Okay, yes. Then in next page we have, yes, model public school. Okay, yes, about this you have to write the, yes, you have to write the what, like this you have to write a notice. Okay, you should write the notice here. Try to write, this is homework, you should try to write. Okay, if not I will send the pic. By seeing that you can complete. First you say, do it and send, then only I will send the pic. Till that I will not send. Okay, yes. Then next page we have creative writing, dialogue writing. Let us see what is that. Dialogue writing. Reshma and Zishan met in the corridor during their break. They started talking about the various school clubs and which ones they were thinking of joining. Here is a part of their conversation. But wait, it's horrible jumbled up. Arrange Reshma and Zihan's lines in the correct order by numbering the stars so that their conservation makes sense. Here it is in jumbled order. You have to make the conversation into correct order. Okay, you have to put the which should come in the first line. Okay. Okay, I read children, listen carefully. Yes, see, Reshma, oh yes, you have, like that they have given. So that is not correct. Okay, see, first one is Reshma, hi Zishan, what's up? This is the first one. Hi, they will tell first. So put one. Then second, Zishan, hi Reshu. Zishan is telling. Zishan means he is telling. Hi Reshu, nothing much, just looking at the notice here about extracurricular activities and school clubs. 2. Okay, then 3. Reshma is telling, oh yes, we have to pick a club to join in school. We have to inform our teachers by the end of the week. Okay, then 4th, Zishan. I am thinking I should maybe join the art club. I haven't painted for a while now. You know what, I want to improve my drawing skill. This is 4. Okay. Then 5th one is Reshma is telling, oh, that's wonderful to hear. Zishan, I am yet to decide which club I want to be in. All the options are confusing me. Okay. Then 6th one. Oh, there goes the bell. I have to go. Reshma, hope you can decide on a club to join soon. Okay, then seventh one and 8th one is there. Thanks Zishan, I will see you later, bye. Then Zishan, bye bye Reshma, see you around, like that, 8. Okay, put the correct spelling, sorry, numbers. Yes, children, next we have exercise 5. Write a short dialogue like the one you read between two other classmates who decide their favorite activities and chooses of the school clubs. Okay, hints they are given. They discuss the various clubs in school. They talk about why they enjoy these clubs. Then they discuss what plan to do as a club member. Yes, try to write. Okay, you try to write. If not, I will send the pic. Okay. So this is also one homework. Mark it down, children. Page number 76 also is homework. Mark it down. Yes. I will send you the pic. By seeing that you can complete. Okay. Yes. Then we completed module 5, right? So we will end up. I am also not well. So we will end up the class till here. We will continue lesson. We have one more lesson, right? We will continue that lesson in the next class. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye.